Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am here to show you guys the Superior, the 4550 Zero Clearance Open Burning Wood Fireplace. So again, an open burning fireplace is going to be EPA exempt. It is mostly designed for ambiance of just enjoying the nice view of the fire. Fireplace like this is going to heat maybe about 500 square feet. This is going to be shown in the 50-inch model. So again, you can see this zero clearance cabinet. These standoffs here are basically going to show you what you can frame up to on the cabinet. With the standoffs, you can frame directly up to it with combustible material, so essentially like wood 2x4s and drywall. The 50-inch model, I showed you guys the 3000 series. The 4500 series is going to be more of their luxury model. You get a slightly higher height on your viewing area, and then this one will be available in the 50-inch model as well. This one is going to be shown in a stacked brick pattern, but you can also get it in a herringbone pattern as well. You can add optional bifold doors to the unit if you choose. The doors are not really going to give you any added benefit of adding airtight or any burn time to it. They're essentially just for decoration. So as you can see, the unit does come standard here with the nice sliding screen. This allows you to be able to burn the fireplace and leave it without embers popping out or sparks flying out into your home. The unit is going to come standard with a grate to hold your logs, as well as these nice andirons for decoration as well. So I hope you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like the videos, don't forget, give them a thumbs up, click subscribe in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.